Hello friends, good evening. My name is Lalita and today we are going to discuss about today's editorial page, and today's topic is the data power. Here, India cannot allow a nexus between our influential technique giants and the powerful politicians. Here the means nexus, the word meaning is like a connection between any two things. So like the relation or the relation between two things is called as a nexus. So like that is saying that India shouldn't allow the connection between the technique giants and the powerful politicians. An investigate report by the Wall Street Journal last week has raised troubling question about the whether Facebook, the world's largest social media network, goes easy on hate speech violations by the BJP leaders so as to be on the right side of the ruling party. So, by the investigation which was done in the last week by the Wall Street Journal, means by that journal, like a new troubling question has arisen, and that was on the Facebook. And actually, we all know that the Facebook was the world's largest social media network, and it goes on giving a hate speech, means saying something negative about the BJP party. So like in Facebook, the mostly the people who use the Facebook, they can have an idea that in Facebook nowadays mostly there are more negative points about the BJP. The journal story specifically referred to the case of the BJP's Telangana MLA T. Raja Singh, who it says has not been yet removed from Facebook despite his controversial posts about Muslims that were found to be in violation of its own rules and couldn't deemed dangerous. So, in the Wall Street Journal, that journal story specifically it's saying about one issue, one of the member in the BJP who he is a BJP's Telangana MLA, and his name is T. Raja Singh, and he has kept some bad negative points about the Muslim people. All people use in world, mostly all the people use the Facebook. Even Muslim, there is no caste between that, right? So if Muslims saw that, how couldn't they accept? So after this much issues happened, Raja Singh he didn't still remove that meme, or still he didn't remove that post. So he is taking his own rules and regulations, and it seems it becomes a big trouble for the people. Elsewhere, Facebook reportedly does remove people with such profile and problematic actions from the platform. Radio host Alex Jones and Nation of Islam leader Louis Farrakhan are examples. So the Facebook reportedly, actually the Facebook means founder of the Facebook or like that, they had the chance to remove the people in the Facebook, but the Facebook still didn't remove that post. And such profile, because of such type of profiles, actually there is being a problematic actions between the people, and like he may be a Muslim, or he may be a that Raja Singh, Mr. Raja Singh may be a Muslim or Christian, we don't know, but pointing out on the other caste is a very wrong thing, right? And the radio host Alex Jones and the Nation of Islam leader Louis Farrakhan are the examples. Means these both are examples for this. They both are examples for this situation. In this case, the supposed reason for not acting against Mr. Singh is more problematic than the lack of action itself. They are saying that in this case, actually, to take the action against the Mr. Raja Singh is becoming a more problematic thing actually. But the journal's report goes on it says that Miss Anki Das, Facebook's public policy director in India, was against taking these posts down as well, those as of the three others. So Miss Anki Das means she was the leader, no, not leader, she was the she was the Facebook's public policy director in India, she was the head of that, and she was talking again, and she was taking act against those posts over Mr. Singh and other three. And she reportedly told her colleagues that punishing violations by politicians from Mr. Modi party would affect the company business prospects in the country. So she is saying that if we take an action, we need to take from Mr. Modi, from the Mr. Modi, from his type of from his group we have to take. But if we take like that, like it may affect our business property, not property, like it may affect our business company. So like she said, she had gave that statement. The report has predictably raised the political temperature, with the Congress demanding a joint parliamentary probe. So here the report has, so the report is saying that it has raised a political temperature, means like what would you say, political temperature means raising the people who are actually anger on all the people, not only some people, all the people are mostly angry on Mr. Singh, means it is raising a temperature over the people, and with the Congress demanding a joint parliamentary probe. Some of its leaders have even alleged that this amounts of interfering with Indian elections. So some of the other leaders have said that this impact may fall on the elections, at the time of elections. If still this issue is continued, the people may not vote him, right? So this may be impact on his whole life. And Congress MP Shashi Tharoor, who heads the parliamentary panel on IT, has summoned Facebook. So like Congress MP Shashi Tharoor, so the person who belongs to that group, he heads the parliamentary panel on the IT, means in the income tax company. He had actually summoned on the Facebook. The BJP responding the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's tweet. The BJP responding to Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's tweet that BJP and RSS control Facebook and WhatsApp. So here the BJP, like Rahul Gandhi, like most of the people, the BJP means the BJP party was responding the Congress leader Mr. Rahul Gandhi, and that he has gave a tweet that is BJP and RSS control Facebook and WhatsApp in India, and like he wanted to control the WhatsApp and Facebook in India. Has it turned accused the Congress of trying to manipulate data with Facebook's help. So here if we observe clearly, like the Congress party wanted to manipulate the data in the Facebook actually. So like with the Facebook's help they wanted to manipulate the data. This ought not to end an usual war of words between two politic rebels. So actually because of this there is a fighting between the BJP and the Congress party. Further, it's little doubt that the report raises uncomfortable questions about the possibility of the unholy nexus between those with the power of influence millions of the people and those in the power. So actually this fighting between the BJP and the Congress is leading to the fight between the people actually. So because of this many many uncomfortable doubts are arising in the people's mind. It is difficult to deny that the protagonist is a powerful social network which till its date carries a taint of the being the source of Analytica illegally harvested in its quest to sway elections. So here actually here they are saying that it is difficult to deny, means taking action towards the protagonist was like it's a very social powerful network, and which it carries a taint of being the source of data that politically consuming firm Cambridge Analytica illegally harvested in its quest to sway elections. Showed social media platforms in general, having grown rapidly, was a little content on their own, have struggled on the question of moderating comments and posts. So like if someone had posted something on a social media, many comments will come, right? Like they were facing all those and they are actually going in front. This however is much beyond the question of capability, means they are asking the questions which are beyond the capability and which is not at all related to the topic. The nature of the relationship between the Facebook and the government and the rules governing it and now are under a cloud. So like the nature of relationship between the Facebook and the government, means the relationship between the Facebook and the nexus between the Facebook and the government is actually it's ruling the government, and over under a cloud means both are under under one tree, we say, right? Like that. There is a need to dispel mischief things about Facebook lobbying in corridors of the power. Only a full-fledged inquiry can help reveal the truth. So like they were saying that a full-fledged means a full-fledged information inquiry gives us the correct explanation about this issue. And let us look at today's meaning in this editorial page. Writ, first word is writ, which means form of written command in the name of court or summons. Like a command over a court, like in the name of court, is called as a writ. Persisting means continue, carry on, go on, or last. Continue, go on means like in our life many problems will come, but we have to persist. It means we have to continue over that. We should not stop over that, like that. Asserted means declare, maintain, contend, argue, claim. Declare, maintain, like declaring something. Like for example, in schools they say that they declared holidays for 10 days due to some festival, like that. Superfluous means unnecessary, redundant, unneeded. Unnecessary means actually there is an unnecessary questions in, like that's a superfluous. For example, the children raise the superfluous questions towards the teachers, so like that. Explicit means clear, direct, plan, obvious. Means having a clear and direct plan, like a direct thinking over some things, like that. Uncapped means not selected for a representative team, not having a cap or top. Not selected for a representative team means for a particular team we were not selected. We have tried but we were not selected. Regressive means ideas that are old-fashioned, lower on large tax amounts of money. Means ideas which are old-fashioned, means like giving an old-fashioned ideas, means like it's not in a trending, like that. Nexus means connection, linking of two things, central or a focal point. Means a central, for some people, for example, in a family, the father is a center pole. Means he is the head, not only head, without him the family couldn't run actually, like that. Deemed means regard or consider in a specified way, judge, suppose. Regarding or considering in a specified way, in a particular way, like that. Prospects means likelihood, hope, expectation, candidate, possibility. Likelihood, hope, like I think having an expectation over something is called as prospects. Protagonist means lead or major character in a film, play, supporter. For example, in a movie, like mostly the hero or heroine will be having a major role, or their grandfathers, like they would be having a major role in the movies, like so, or a supporter or a play. Means in BJP, someone supports BJP, someone supports Congress. So these the people who supports the parties are called as supporters. Taint means trace of an undesirable substance, pollute, spoil, ruin. Means tracing an undesirable substance, like getting traced over something or getting polluted something. Quest means long arduous search, hunt or pursuit, like hunting something or searching about something in a very long period, for a very long time. Sway means swing, shake, oscillate, rule, control, influence. Oscillate means we know that coming, like in physics we already read, oscillate means coming back and going front and again coming back and going front. That is called as one oscillation, like oscillatory motion. Example for oscillatory motion means we'll be having the old clocks which are in the old time, like that. And dispel means banish, eliminate, dismiss, get rid of. Like for example, dismiss in programs which were like in programs, they dismissed they dismissed the group, they dismissed the group, or they eliminated the group. So that is called as dispel. And these are today's meanings, and this is today's editorial page about the BJP and the Congress due to some issue. Thank you.